Correct, sir. In Linux, the same thing will be written in this pattern, sir. 10,
Okay.
9, 18, XX, comma. So this is a pattern of writing the schedule, sir. We call it as
Okay.
cron tab.
Okay.
So what
Got
happens
it.
is, if you have to schedule any job in Linux now, so Linux only understand this format, sir. So for
Okay.
scheduling anything, we have to write in this pattern.
Yeah. Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
So this is this is what exactly a Databricks is, sir. How exactly the architecture of Databricks looks like, how exactly the clusters can be created, all the details about the clusters and everything is being now shared with you. Now, sir, in your lab, the exercise number 1 of yours, okay? In your lab,
Yeah.
the exercise number 1 of yours talks about that how exactly the Delta architecture can be created. Now, the code is already written for you, sir. You don't
Yeah.
have to write the code. Code is already written for you in Python. You just have to execute that particular code. Okay, you just have to execute that particular code and you just have to check the results and see if the things is being running fine or not. Now, with the help of that Python code, you have actually implemented a Delta architecture on Databricks. Now, I understand, sir, for the very first time, you will not be able to understand what is going on. It sounds very confusing to you.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'll walk you through the lab as well. Okay,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
before to that, I would suggest you to just go through it once by yourself, because
Oh,
if I'll do it on the very front, sir, then definitely your mind will not perceive that as it will perceive it once you've gone through it and then I'm explaining it to you. Okay,
okay.
now definitely, like we are here, it's like 6:12 now, like 6, we are left with 15 minutes in the scheduled session for the day.
Yeah.
Okay, so what exactly your input is? Would you be working on this lab as per your convenient time, and then tomorrow morning we'll start with the exercise number 1?
Yes, that will be better because I mean my brain is unable to take anymore.
Yes, yes, sir. I understand that. It's difficult to understand all these things because the things are there, it's complicated, and the first time anybody is being listening to that. So I totally understand that, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you can do, sir, anytime, let's say that you take some rest, took some sleep, and then in the evening, if you get some time, then what you can do, sir, that you can just go ahead and try to implement that particular exercise number 1 of your lab number 1. Okay,
Sure. Yeah.
and once you are done with it, and I my suggestion is that even though you're not getting anything, just read it through like an
Sure.
uninteresting book.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and tomorrow when we'll start, first of all I'll just walk you through that particular lab, and then I'll
Yeah.
explain you about snaps, and then we'll continue. Now, we have spent a good amount of time on these modules, sir, because these are very important. All the modules, upcoming modules will depend on this only.
Okay.
Okay, so just a quick feedback before we close this, sir. I hope that the things are clear to you, at least the basic ones.
Yes. Yes. They are clear. Nothing like on day one when I started. Yeah. I feel a lot more comfortable today.
Okay, okay, sir. Because like that's what it is. Like we were like that's what I would like to know, that now you have a comparison point as well. So I hope that like the issues, or what should I say, the complaints which you are facing on the first day is being resolved now. So I hope that we can continue with the same tempo. Correct? Because
Yes.
what I believe, sir, that let's say that if we complete all 8 days and then at the end somebody comes and asks you that how was the training, and then you give your feedback, says that it was not okay, then at that point of time even I cannot do anything. Correct? So it's always
Yeah.
good that if I have a ready like feedback from you that okay, Sandeep, these things are good, these are the things which we can improve, So definitely I'll try my best to put all those things which are not up to the mark during my next session, which is tomorrow itself. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the very best, sir. And we'll be any questions if you have as of now. I'm more than happy to answer all those questions of yours, sir. Okay. Please let me know. But I understand, sir, that right now you're not in a state of asking questions as well, because the things are just jumbled up in your mind. So I'm
Yeah.
just giving you this time to just rephrase things, what is being taught to you. And
Yeah.
tomorrow morning, we'll start with a fresh topic, and we'll also be taking up the questions from today's session. And and then we'll continue the session, sir. Okay.
Sandeep, I have a request for you.
Yes.
Is it possible that we start at around 5:36 in the morning just for tomorrow, please? Because I have like some of my colleagues are arranging a get together, which is starting breakfast time, UK breakfast time.
Okay, sir. So what exactly is the time you want me to connect, sir?
5:30 UK time is like 5:30, so that's 11 o'clock your time.
I'm completely okay with that, sir. Not an issue with me. So we'll
Yeah,
start at 11.
instead of starting like your time 2 o'clock or
Yeah,
1:30.
instead of 1:30 my time, we'll start at 11 my time. Correct?
Yeah,
Yeah, wonderful, sir.
yeah,
Wonderful. I don't want to like ruin your New Year and Christmas celebration, sir. You had a good you should have a good even though you have opted to study at this point of time, you have done a very good job, sir. No, normally in UK at this point of time, nobody wants to study at least.
yeah. I want to. I mean, obviously, uh, I want to move into this one as well. I'm putting pressure on myself as well, not just from outside, but my manager is
Definitely,
light
sir.
on it, but I I don't want to relax and be very laid back or uh, procrastinated
Definitely,
about
sir.
it. So
Definitely. That's what the yes. That's what it is, sir. And sometimes when these time like now you not have much of office pressure, so you can actually focus on the training. Sometimes what
yes,
happens is the training is being going on and the parallel office is also being going on, and like you are completely tired, not able to do the labs, nothing. So it's good that
yeah,
we utilize these holidays, and I don't have any problem, sir. I'm completely okay to to shift this session to 11. But what we'll do is, sir, that we'll join the same session, and I'm
yeah,
not editing any I won't edit any meeting request or anything, but verbally we'll join the session at 11 only, sir.
yes,
Okay.
perfect.
11
And
11 a.m. my time. Yes, sir.
is there any? I mean, I'm gonna share my mobile number, and
Mhm.
if for example, if I'm not coming in, or you want to know what's the status is,
Mhm.
I will come for sure. But we never know what will happen tomorrow. So
Definitely, sir.
I'll come for sure. But at the same time, if I'm late or if I'm not waking up, or if you think if there's any issue, you
Mhm.
can always WhatsApp me on this number or call me. So probably first time it might not ring or it might just cut off. So second time try ringing because the phone is in the night mode at that
Definitely.
time.
Okay, no issue, sir. So what happens is so this is this your WhatsApp number as well? So I'll just give you
Yeah,
a
that's
WhatsApp call on
WhatsApp
this.
number as well. Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, sir. So I'll just ring you up if in case you are not there. So not an issue
Yeah.
at all, sir. Okay.
A- and and also
Mhm.
we'll be probably finishing it up by 9 o'clock. Is that fine? 9 o'clock my time is like so we'll
4 hour
get
session.
around.
Yes, sir. No,
Yeah, yeah. And day after
yeah.
tomorrow,
Not
I'm happy to cover a little bit more of
definitely,
this
definitely.
time.
Yes, what we can do is, sir, that we'll just have a 4 hour of session tomorrow, and then
Yeah,
day after tomorrow we can just convert it to 6 hours. Not an issue
Yeah,
at all.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm happy
Okay,
to
sir.
do that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
not a problem.
Thank you
Okay,
very much,
cool.
sir.
Thank you very
So
much, Sandeep, for being very flexible. Thank you so much.
thanks, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And I wish you a very happy rest of the day. Take care, take rest, and see you tomorrow at very early your morning, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. See you.
Thank you,
Talk
sir.
to you tomorrow.
See you.
Cheers.
Sure, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.